spent $25, made $300 in a matter of days. I'm going to show you my best side hustle. I'm going to show you a proven system that works in America, it works in Great Britain, it works in Canada, doesn't matter where you live, where you can turn $25 into $300 in a matter of days. Now, before I do, I want to show you some proof of my other students. For example, here's one student that bought my book and is on a very first deal. He spent $20 and he made $135. Okay, again, his very first deal. And let me add to this that he didn't even follow my instructions 100%. Okay, but he was able to still turn $20 into $135. Here's the same student on his next deal where he bought a bike for $40 and he was able to turn around and sell it for $150. Now you may be asking yourself, well, what is this hustle? What is this best hustle? I call it the new flip, flipping bicycles. Yes, you heard me right, flipping bicycles. Now, what I teach is finding highly motivated sellers, buying their bicycles at a deep, deep discount, and then turning around and selling it on the fair market for a discount. So the bicycle moves very, very, very fast in a couple of days or hours. Here's another student that just recently bought my book, and he said, "Hey, Mike, I just bought your new flip book, and I'm making a killing in my neighborhood. Thanks, brother. God bless." Well, my man, I'm so happy for you for your success. And this system, the new flip, which is the flipping bicycles, I created this business system so I can teach my students how to flip real estate. But what I noticed is a lot of students were not able to flip real estate because it's very complicated. So I created this game or business system that teaches them the same exact thing of flipping real estate, but on a watered down basis. However, the money's so fabulous because there's many situations, for example, this deal that I've done where I bought this bicycle trailer for $25 and then I sold it in a matter of days for $300. And here's the ad where I put it on Facebook and I put it for $297. The buyer showed up and just handed me $300 because I didn't have change. So that's how I made $300. So again, I bought the same exact trailer as you can look at it, picture after picture after picture. This is a beautiful brand spanking new trailer. These trailers retail about $400 to $600 brand new. I bought it for $25. Again, $25, and I sold it in a matter of days for $300, guys. Okay, 397. Now, the flipping bicycles is a great business because you don't need to have a lot of capital. All you need, like I said, you've seen my friends and my students have $20. But I say it's better to start with $100. All you need is $100. You don't need any skills. You don't need to know how to fix bicycles. You do not need to know how to be a bike mechanic because I don't know how to fix bicycles. None of my students knew how to fix bicycles. Okay. All you do is find motivated sellers. What is a motivated seller? Someone that must sell their bicycle because they need a clear space, they don't ride anymore, they bought a new bike, they need money to pay the electricity bill, whatever the story is. All you do, you got to find these motivated sellers. And I show you in my course, you can download below, there's a link there, where to find these sellers. Plus, I give you copy and paste sales offers that all you do just copy my sales offer and give it to a seller and don't make any edits to it or changes to it, and sellers will go with that. And what I do is I find these motivated sellers, I buy their bicycles at a deep, deep discount. What does that mean? Well, it means that a trailer that's worth $400, $500, I pay $25 for it, and then I sell it for $300 when it could sell for $400. Okay, so I sell it below market, so it moves really quick, but I'm making massive, massive return. $25 to $300 is over 500, 600% returns. Okay, it's hard to imagine. Now, I show you exactly how I do it in my playlist, which I do have a free video that shows you in depth how to give the upper assistance. But if you want to serve in a platter, I would highly recommend downloading my course below because I do have a special going on and I'm only selling a limited amount at this special price. So go check it out. It's not going to let you down. It works in any market. Like, for example, I have this student in California. Okay, he did 8 flips in 1 week. Okay, this is him. Okay, I have students in Great Britain. I have students in Canada. I have students in Kansas, in Texas, in Florida. Oh man, it's Florida. I have students in Oklahoma. I have students in New York. I have students in New Jersey. I have students in, I mean, guys, the list goes on and on. Okay, Houston, Galveston, Austin, so on and so on. Boulder, Colorado, Denver, Colorado, Superior, Colorado. So it works in every market. And what I teach you, not only does it work for flipping bicycles so you can save money fast, make money today. You don't have to learn anymore. You don't have to buy any tools. All you need is your phone and my instructions and a will to implement what I've given you. It's just a copy and paste job. You can easily stack 10 grand, 100 grand in a very short period of time. Yes, it will require effort. Yes, it will require some work, but this is the most easiest work ever. For example, just a month ago, I just worked just a few hours, okay, and I made over $5,000 just a few hours. I would just say less than a week, okay. And so the rest of the time, next 3 weeks, I didn't do anything besides go ride bikes and put hundreds and hundreds of miles on my bike with my family. Take them to the park, take them to eat, take them to the water park, take them to the pool. So it's an amazing opportunity to make a lot of money and very, very quick. And it's basically a side hustle you can turn into a full-fledged business, right? Or you can just do it a couple days out of the week and make good money. It pays a lot better than having a job, even if you're making $50,000 or $75,000 a year, because you can do that in flipping bikes. Or if you're just delivering pizza, you're just an Uber driver, and there's nothing wrong with that either. But why put yourself at risk to get in a car accident when you can just flip bikes and make a lot more money and you get to keep all of it? Anyways, guys, I showed you some students testimonials. I showed you a deal that I got and I paid 25 bucks. I showed you the ad where I sold it. I have tons of other videos that go into detail how it works, totally for free. You can go and run with it totally for free. Just leave me your feedback when you make success, or you can support yourself and support me and get it served on the platter with copy and paste sales offers, video training, an actual book, an actual manual, and more importantly, the Facebook group where I'm actively there so you can ask me questions, ask other students questions, which is very, very valuable, all included in the purchase of the investments you make in yourself in getting the book in the link below. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for clicking the like button. If you had success with the program, love to hear it. Love to have you on the show so you can motivate other people. Reach out to us. Much love. Don't take no for an answer. Peace.